Introducing Metal Arc Earth Clamp LE1 series. Some of the salient features include CE certified, EN 60974-13. Heavy-duty body for greater conductivity. Best-in-class heavy-duty spring for positive contact at jaws. Optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Serrated upper and lower jaws ensure maximum bite to the work. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Suitable for easy ballpoint connection. Oxidation resistant. American design. Low maintenance and easy to use. 600 amps capacity. 100% made in India. ISI Marked.